Hey, Tech Library viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue. Where to find all these cherishable Snapchat memories that you by mistake deleted. Don't go anywhere because we have some amazing tricks for you. Open Snapchat. On your home page, click Profile, then click Settings. Under the Data, turn on Download of Memories. Enter your email address. Tap Submit Request. However, Snapchat will send an email with the data file of its memories within the 24 hours period. Tap your profile picture. Now open your Apple device's setting and then tap on My Data. Toggle on Memories Download. Enter your email address. Confirm the email. Tap Submit Request. Expect to receive an email containing the data file. Open the File Manager. Go to Android. Data, come at your Snapchat, Android. Open the Cache folder. Look for deleted photos. I bet you will do so. Copy and paste them to another folder. And that's it. May you are iOS or Android owner, you can restore your Snapchat memories now. It is important to back up your camera roll often. As always, if the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Library for more tech content. Until next time, stay connected.